Here's why you should always carry athletic tape when you're outdoors. First, they replace any bandages that you might have in your bag, and they don't have any annoying wrappers. They look a lot cooler too. You can also use it to label your hiking equipment. You can turn it into cordage or string with a strength of 15 to 20 pounds. Use the tape to treat hiking blisters and prevent new ones from forming. And if you roll or sprain your ankle, athletic tape is great for wrapping it. Athletic tape.